All right, guys, this is my review of the Blue Suck tablet floor stand with double weight base. And I actually put this together and intended on just showing it to you guys assembled, but it was so easy to assemble that I wanted to actually show you how easy it is to assemble, because some stuff you get on Amazon or order online, you don't know how that process is going to be like. I was insanely surprised how ridiculously simple it is. So first off, my name is Matthew Paul. I help Amazon customers like you make quick, informed buying decisions on products I have firsthand experience with. First of all, you've got 4 pieces. You've got the base. I can tell you this is a weighty base, but it also has a soft bottom, so it's not going to scratch anything. You can put it on hardwood floor or carpet. It's going to work either way. You've got this piece. This is the first piece that goes in. All you do is literally just screw it in. And you can feel how sturdy this stand is. And this stand, I'm just going to be honest, as I'm building it, I'm just going to tell you, this stand is actually really cool. And I think it's super useful with where we are as a society with tablets and stuff. I'm lowering this so you guys can just see the top of it now as I put it together. All right. So that's that part. And then this is the last. So that was the second part right there. Just screwed that in. This is the arm part. So, and it's got that tablet spot right at the end. And that's going to work for your phone or tablet. So I'm going to show you. I've got a phone and a tablet here. That's how, okay, dude, it's fully installed. Fully installed. Here's the base. Here's how high it is. Now it's on the floor, and you're seeing this part of the stand. So the part where your phone would go. So it can go in like that, so it can work for a phone. And if you want to just be like, you could put this over your bed. You could, this arm is like super adjustable. So you could put it like over your bed and read something while, you know, or you can, or like on the couch or something like that. So you could use this for bed or couch, or you could have it like on the side of your desk as a secondary stand, and you could put your tablet or phone on there. So this is an iPad, and I'm just doing this to show you it literally works for everything. So it works for an iPad. You've got the arm that comes out how you need it to. It's super adjustable, super flexible, has multiple joint pivot points, so you can get it in just the right spot. Sometimes you might have to tighten things up with the iPad because it is a little on the heavier side, but it holds it. You can see there it's holding it like that. Ultimately, I've never used one of these before, and I was curious about how this would actually, first of all, how easy it would be to build, and then how easy it would be to use and how functional it would be. This seems like a really well-made product. These are actually the same kind of arms that a lot of podcasts have for like their microphone stands. So these are sturdy types of arms, and the product itself is very sturdy and a very like hard, dense metal. The bottom is it's not going to tip. It's super sturdy. Once again, my name is Matthew Paul. If you're looking for a tablet stand or an iPhone stand, like this is going to work, and I would say give this one. It's got my approval.